Hi, welcome to Chemistry 2205. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how you can access the textbook that's going to be used for this course and also Mastering Chemistry. And we'll be doing that through the First Day program at UCF. First Day is set up especially to save students money and make it super easy for you to access the e-text and also publisher software like Mastering directly through web courses. The textbook that's used for this course is the Timberlake General Organic and Biological Chemistry book. Assignments will be given in Mastering Chemistry, and through Mastering and the textbook you'll have access to videos and a self-study area, and all of this will be found through the modules link in web courses. There's two very important things that you must do before the end of the first week of class. Number one, sign into web courses and find the modules tab. This is how you're going to access the e-text and Mastering. And number two, when you're in web courses, look for the course materials tab. This is where you can click the opt-in button to purchase access for the rest of the semester at a very reduced price. So, number one, sign into web courses, and then on the left-hand side, look for modules, and then off to the right, look for your mastering links off to your right, or mastering assignment links. Click on any of the links off to the right, and the very first time you do, you're going to have to accept the terms of use and click Continue. Then moving forward, every time you come into web courses, you're going to click on modules, and to find the e-text or any of the mastering links or mastering assignments, you'll have to just simply go to modules and then look for the links off to the right. If you're on the home page in Mastering, the Mastering course home, you'll notice up on the right-hand side that there's the dynamic study modules. These can be assigned by your instructor, but they're also available to you even if they're not assigned, and they're very much like flashcards, and students find them helpful. So I wanted to point that out to you. And there's also a study area. You have free open access to all of the Mastering content during the first week of class at no charge. However, if you want to stay in the class and you plan to stay on the class, it's highly suggested that you do step number 2, which is find the course materials, and this is where you're going to opt in. If you opt in before the deadline, which is January 16th, the price is $61.24 for the rest of the semester, and this gives you access to the e-text, the interactive e-text, and also Mastering. So make sure you opt in. The steps are simply, again, just to log into web courses, look for course materials, opt in, and then go right to your Knight's email and make sure you have that confirmation email address. If you've made any changes, such as change sections or anything to this course, make sure that you've opted in. And also keep in mind that you're opting in per course. If you're opted into biology, but then you're still taking this course, you have to opt into the chemistry course too. It's per course. So what happens if you don't opt in? If you don't opt in, sometime after the drop add period, your access to the e-text and Mastering will be cut off and discontinued. And when you click on one of the links, so this will be probably the second or third week of class, you'll see a screen something like this. The only way to regain access to Mastering and the e-text is then to either go to the bookstore or go to the bookstore website and purchase access. When you purchase access at the bookstore website, it's going to be much higher. It's going to be about 30% more. And keep in mind, if you've been deactivated, reactivating can take 24 to 48 hours. If you have questions about opt-in or questions about the email you received or didn't receive, contact the bookstore directly. They control the opt-in process. So contact the bookstore directly through these links or go to the bookstore textbook area. If you have questions about the ebook or Mastering Chemistry, you can contact us through special support hours during the first week of class. Simply to scan this QR code, or we'll send you the link later. And also, if you don't have time to catch up with us via Zoom, you can always scan this QR code and fill out a form, and I'll get back to you via email as soon as possible. Pearson has 24/7 tech support available at the This site, you can scan the QR code or simply Google Pearson Technical Support. Live phone and chat support's available from about 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Keep in mind that if you have problems loading the e-text or maybe mastering, clear your cache and cookies. This solves 90% of the problems. It's a good idea to update your browsers at the beginning of the semester before classes start, so you can scan this one for an easy way to update your browsers. And again, if you have any trouble, reach out to tech support or to one of us. I know you're going to have a great semester, but let us know if you need any help. Thanks.